to 3.TV, I am Ruchi Sharma. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, has recorded an all-time profit of $28.22 billion from its $71.11 billion Bitcoin portfolio, marking a 65.82% return and maintaining a perfect 100% win rate since initiating its BTC strategy. The company has accumulated over 601,000 BTC, making it the most profitable corporate Bitcoin investor to date. Its success is attributed to a long-term dollar-cost averaging approach that consistently adds Bitcoin during both bull and bear markets. This disciplined investment method has resulted in a portfolio resilient to typical market corrections and volatility, reinforcing strategy's status as a pioneer in institutional crypto investment. The UK Home Office is coordinating with law enforcement to sell over $7 billion worth of seized Bitcoin, primarily recovered from a Chinese Ponzi scheme. The stash includes at least 61,000 BTC. A woman involved in laundering 150 BTC was sentenced in 2024. Despite requests from victims for restitution, the Crown Prosecution Service has asked the High Court for permission to retain the crypto. If granted, the funds will go to the UK Treasury. The case marks one of the largest crypto seizures ever in the country. Crypto exchange Bullish has filed for a US IPO aiming to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BLSH. In its F1 filing with the SEC, Bullish did not disclose the number of shares or price range, but granted underwriters a 30-day option to buy additional shares. Despite reporting a net income of $80 million for 2024, the firm posted a Q1 2025 loss of $349 million. Bullish, based in the Cayman Islands, claims over $1.9 billion in liquid assets, including Bitcoin, stablecoins, and cash reserves. Charles Schwab plans to offer spot trading for Bitcoin and Ethereum, aiming to integrate crypto within traditional portfolios. CEO Rick Webster said Schwab clients already own over 20% of the crypto ETP market, but hold only 1 to 2% of their crypto outside Schwab. With over $10.8 trillion in asset under management, Schwab wants to bring crypto back home, citing trust and asset consolidation as key drivers. The move is expected to enhance Schwab's growth in digital asset services. Block Incorporation, founded by Jack Dorsey, will join the S&P 500 index this week, replacing Hess Corporation. The announcement sparked a 9% after-hours surge in Block stock. The firm has a strong Bitcoin focus and holds 8,584 BTC as part of its corporate treasury. This inclusion comes just months after Coinbase became the first crypto-native company to enter the S&P 500, highlighting rising mainstream acceptance of blockchain-linked firms. Bit Digital has expanded its Ethereum treasury to over 120,000 Ether after purchasing 19,683 Ether with proceeds from a $67.3 million raise. Beyond accumulating ETH, the Nasdaq-listed company actively participates in the Ethereum ecosystem through staking and validator operations. This strategic move positions Bit Digital for long-term yield and influence within Ethereum's evolving infrastructure. Top El Salvador finance officials told the IMF that the country hasn't bought any Bitcoin since February 2025, contradicting President Bukele's claim of daily BTC purchases since 2022. The statement, part of the IMF's July 15 review, says the government's Bitcoin holdings remain unchanged. Wallet addresses have been shared with the IMF for verification. Despite this, Bukele's Bitcoin office maintains the reserve holds 6,242 BTC, worth about $737 million, with Arkham Intelligence tracking small daily transfers from Binance and Bitfinex wallets. Indian crypto exchange CoinDCX suffered a $44 million exploit over the weekend, flagged by on-chain analyst Zach XBT. The attacker reportedly used Tornado Cash and bridged funds from Solana to Ethereum. CoinDCX CEO Sumit Gupta confirmed the breach, attributing it to a compromised server linked to a liquidity partner. Gupta assured users that no customer funds were affected and that losses could be recovered from treasury reserves. A recovery effort and bug bounty program are under the way. US Representative Marjorie Taylor has warned that the Genius stablecoin bill could enable a convert rollout of a central bank digital currency. She argues the bill forces stablecoins into federal control, giving them surveillance capabilities that mimic CBDCs. Critics fear this would enable the government to monitor and restrict financial activity under the guise of private crypto regulation. Supporters of Bitcoin, including author Fardian Amos, echoes the concerns, says even stablecoins risk becoming tools of centralized financial control. Bitcoin advocate Justin Bechler called the bill CBDC without the scary name. Russia's largest bank, Sberbank, is aiming to provide custody services for digital assets amid a shift in regulatory stance. The state-owned lender has proposed a regulatory framework to the Russian central bank that would treat crypto holdings similar to traditional bank assets, ensuring security and oversight. This move follows last year's legislation allowing crypto use in international trade, helping Russia navigate around Western sanctions. According to Sberbank executive Anatoly Pronin, the initiative aligns with global trends of financial institutions embracing crypto custody services. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3versive.io or scan the QR code.